All everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kute, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, GMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss MSc second semester 3, that is course of laser. Now last lecture we have discussed industrial application. Now in this lecture we have discussed medical application, medical and biological application. Laser are extensively used medicine and they play important role both in diagnosis and surgery such as cosmetic surgery, scratch mark, sunspot, wrinkles, birthmark, hair reflective surgery, spot tissue surgery, general surgery, skin health assessment, tooth whittling, oral surgery, etc. Uses of laser surgery. Uses of laser as surgical tool. First will be the blockage of artery. This will be the diagram of artery blockage. The artery plunges lead to the narrowing the artery, which result into the passage of less blood through in it. The problem like blood pressure, heart attack arises due to it. With the help of laser, this problem can be sorted out. The optical fiber transmitting the laser beam accurately position. The plunges can be removed by beginning vaporize with the laser beam. Auxiliary fiber optics is used as viewing in inner side of arteries. With the help of technique, one can be remove other type of obstruction from veins and arteries such as blood clots. This will be the techniques of blockage of coronary arteries. Now second will be the reconstructive surgery. Reconstructive surgery is also known as plastic surgery. It's involve replacing skin of some part of body and grafting in it some other part. For doing some laser is yellow portion of visible light spectrum can be used. Now third will be the eyes surgery. The highly collimated beam of laser can be further focused to microscopic dot of the extremely high energy density. This make it is useful as cutting. Laser are used for photocoagulation of retina to the half reticule for the tracking of retinal tear. High power laser are used after contract surgery if supportive member surrounding the implant lens become milky. Photo distortion of the member often can be causes drawback like shape almost intensely restoring vision. A focus laser can act as the extremely sharp, causing as it cut. Refer along the standing medical practice of using high instrument or high frequency electric probes to the tissue around the incision, sealing of tiny blood vessel to stop bleeding. The action in particular important for surgical procedure in blood rich tissue such as liver. Laser have been used to make incision half micro wide compared to about 8 microns of diameter of human hair. Now this will be the techniques of eyes surgery. Now in this lecture we have discussed medical and biological application. Thank you so much.